Watch out for the...
Oh, you call me an Old Navy, right?
That's
an
right.
Old Navy.
It's a bag. He's going. What's he getting? His glasses? Yeah.
I might take the cake home.
I'm sweating my full head off. There's Laura hiding behind the bag.
Wait till he sees this thing.
I know. I sent that to. I think I
I'm
did.
trying to look for a picture that I had. I can't find it. I think somebody stole it.
You stole a
I
picture?
got another picture of me I found. You want to look at it though.
Look into it.
Oh wow. Who's this from?
It's from you.
No, that's from Jeffrey.
Yeah. Yep.
See, he knows I like mountains, so
Yeah.
me and Jeffrey, next time we're going to go up that mountain. We're going to live up there on top of that.
I'd love to.
On top of the mountain.
Mm.
I love mountains.
That's where we always went. We would go on vacation with you, Laura and I, and you and Ma.
And because it's deserved the best, who loves your wishes? Your son, Jeffrey. Okay.
We'll put hug, kiss, hug, kiss.
There's too many Jeffreys.
Your grandson's got a card.
You see how many Jeffs there is?
Yeah.
I gotta make a
Slip my
mention.
full head
Our
off.
name is Jeffrey.
I know.
October 20th, everybody, 2022, but his
I
birthday
say,
was yesterday.
you know,
Celebrate today because
are you related
Louis had
to
to work
Howell?
yesterday.
He said,
And so did
he said,
Laura.
Hell no. Oh, this is from who?
Did you see the front picture? What's the picture on the front of that one? For your grandson.
Oh, that's from Lewis.
Yeah, you see what it's on the picture? What's the front?
The lighthouse.
Yeah.
Like lighthouse.
He knows you like lighthouses. Here he is.
I know, but I can't get us all in it, you know?
Grandfather celebrating Orange with you so much happiness and so on. And then it means so much to have a grandfather like you that would love one all year long. When your birthday is perfect time to stop and honor you for being a special person you are. Have a wonderful birthday. Much love. Lewis. You know Lewis.
I think I do. Huh.
You know, there's a lot of house though. You
Yeah.
ever notice that everybody Hershey here.
Hershey.
There,
Look at
Hershey,
me, I
there,
didn't buy
Hershey.
any today. Look at that. I'm
Yeah.
full of Hershey.
Yeah, we get something else. Then.
And then, oh my God, you bought more of them. What the hell?
The way you eat those all the time. The cordials.
Oh,
cherry.
guess what? Cherries. There's something I gotta watch out for. Artificial flavor. It contains peanut nuts in the oil.
I don't know about that. Anyway.
Well, yeah, it does. Laura would just say a tree nut and
Oh, they do now?
Yeah.
that's a nice cake though, ain't it?
Yeah.
And I got
ain't
Louis
frozen.
kind. That's
I hope it's able to be cut and eat.
You can still eat it.
It's like ice cream cake. I know, right?
So, yeah, some cold cake.
Jeffy, he made it last night, right, at home.
Yeah.
I wish.
And he put down on a happy
For me-
birthday, Dad.
They did. I know, right?
There's a kind of
I know.
love. Is that supposed to be the moon going down or the sun coming up?
No.
You don't even know what it is.
What do you think it is,
But
Louis?
Dad
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. On your cake.
Service and literally
Cake
quiet
butter.
power means more than anything. Okay. For all things you've done to make life better. For all the moments you were there, and so on. You should have heard these words, but didn't you love Dad and operate it so for you very, very much. Happy birthday, lots of love. Laura. Yep. So she puts on here, Grandpa.
Yeah. Well, oh, yeah, you did. You did, didn't you?
No.
I'm her grandpa.
Christmas again.
You know, poor little.
Christmas.
You like Christmas?
Open it.
Oh, I hope it's a shirt. You don't like my other shirt, you know.
I said throw it away.
No, it's
It's a
napkin.
toaster.
You threw it away.
It's a toaster. I like
You're
that.
gonna throw it away.
I don't want no. I want a cat.
It's a tripod.
I like this doggy.
Doggy.
I like that cat.
Cat.
Someday I'm gonna own a kitty cat.
It's a cog. It's a dat.
Same kind of shirt. Oh my god, always the same thing.
No, it's a heavy, you'll see, it's a heavy fleece shirt, so you can get rid of that one.
It'd be warm. Imagine that. You'd be
I
warm.
saw the tag. Oh, okay.
Hear it. Beautiful.
Yeah, and you can wear it over that shirt, so.
Kind of big, ain't it?
No, it'll go over your other
What's
shirt.
this?
It's a large.
I said, that won't even fit him.
Yeah, well. That's different. Okay.
Need a cushion for my back.
Okay.
Here's the
Alright,
fun.
here you go.
You got my 3-wheel bike outside?
Yeah, that'd be nice, man.
Now we got you a unicycle.
Yeah,
The cake's awfully close to.
I got a cat.
Meow.
I'm gonna put it down.
Meow, man.
No, you gotta put it up.
Why?
Because
How am I gonna see it? Oh my god. That's my lady. She got money?
maybe.
Yeah. Like that? In a wheelchair. I hope you don't put my name on it. This is my dad.
Wow.
Oh, ain't that sweet. What the hell she wearing?
She's in a chair, in a rocking chair. Look at that. Wow, that's
I'm not in a rocket ship. I like that one. I'm going to buy a diamond ring. No, lights in the eyes are powerful. Down.
that's cool.
It never said all that before.
Well,
What?
Oh, that's the first time it said all that.
I saw that, Laura. I saw something up
Did you
there.
play it before?
Laura,
Yes,
I
I
saw
played
a
it many
white face
times.
above Laura. That was like a face or something. That's pretty good, everybody. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy birthday, Dad.